Hey guys, so I'm back with another zodiac look, but this time only using the earth tones. I'm gonna do like a smoky eyes just because I don't think I can pull off smoky eyes with these other elements later on. So that is what I'm gonna do. There's so many looks that you can do with just this row. Start off with the lightest shade and just put it all over my lid. I'm gonna gradually fade it upwards, and if you need to, just use a clean fluffy brush to blend out the edges. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in with the middle tone and place it lower and blending it out on the crease. I'm gonna take the lightest shade and kind of blend these two together. Clean brush to blend up the top. And I'm gonna add more color. Use this brush for the lightest tone. Okay, once you have it blended to your liking, you're gonna take the darkest shade and this time like really pack it on and pat it right just on your lid. So once you have it packed on, you're gonna take a little bit of the medium brown and apply it and just blend the black and the brown together. I'm gonna take the lightest shade and just blend upwards. Add more black if you need to, but it's just a process. Line my eyes and line the bottom a bit, and I'm going to take the lightest shade going in the outer corner or going in the inner corner, then going with the middle shade and the darkest on top of that liner. Now I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I don't really do that many smoky eyes anymore. I mostly do like more of the neutral brown colors. So if you want a more natural look, then you basically just need these two colors and that's it, without the black. The black does add a lot more drama to this. This would definitely not be a day look for me, especially now with these lashes. I put on a little bit of highlight just because it just feels like it's missing something.